Hello and welcome to another ROFFS weekly ocean conditions update for the Gulf of Mexico, the week of July 29th, 2024. Jumping right into things in the Eastern Gulf. As you'll see out here, there's a newly formed sort of oval bean-shaped loop current eddy centered out here by 26 degrees north and 8730 west. It is southeast Atwater Valley, southwest of the Lloyd's Ridge. Northern edge of this feature keeps pushing in northward, southeast of the dump site, south of the double nipple into Atwater Valley. Conditions have changed a little bit. In the northeastern Gulf of Mexico, the large dominating clockwise eddy we had been following for some time now is now centered southeast of the double nipple. You do have a counterclockwise rotating eddy over towards the Tuna Mountain 960 Hill. This is continuing to pull cleaner water in over north of the double nipple, over DeSoto Canyon, in towards the steppes, all the way southwestward, southwestward, south of the delta. There's an elongated counterclockwise circulation out towards the Green Canyon. And this water, there's nice water all the way from DeSoto Canyon all the way over southwest of the delta into the Green Canyon. Little bit further eastward, some of the green water from inshore is coming all the way out, all the way down towards Lloyd's Ridge, where you have two opposite rotating eddies that are pulling some nice cleaner water in here to the west, northwest of the box, northwest of the steppes. Off of Tampa, you continue to have an abundance of cleaner blue water offshore of about 20 fathoms, all the way up towards the Florida middle grounds, where it turns a little bit westward offshore and around the northern sides of these two counterclockwise rotating eddies, south of the wings, south of the squiggles, and southeast of the spur area. But good conditions to the east off of Cape San Blas, east of or west of the Florida middle grounds into the DeSoto Canyon. Good conditions out towards Lloyd's Ridge. Good conditions over towards the Atwater Valley. Going west, sort of between Green Canyon and over towards the Flower Gardens, you have the counterclockwise circulation that had been further west is now moved eastward. All the water from Green Canyon inshore over towards the Flower Gardens seems to be more blended, not as clean. But the good news for you guys fishing in the Western Gulf is the western and northwestern edges of the cleaner blue water, which had been far offshore, 100 fathoms, and not so far north. Now it seems to be pushed in towards the Texas Canyon, in over Colt 45, and up to the northeast, out towards the 500 fathom hump, over towards the dump site, and there is some cleaner water circulating inshore, southwest of the East Breaks, and towards the 100 around a counterclockwise eddy here, southeast of Aransas. Also to be noted, the dirty, turbid green water that had filled this area over here for a number of weeks now looks to be more east. Looks to be east of the East Breaks out towards the dump site. There's a large mass of it, but there is now some fishable, cleaner green to blue-green water inshore, East Breaks, Aransas Bank, Hospital Rock, coming down parallel to the ledges off of Aransas. And again, this eddy is pulling some cleaner water inshore, but bottom line is the western edge of this cleaner blue water, the northwestern edge of it, and the northern side of this finger filament wrapping around the eddy is much closer than it's been over the past 2 weeks. So it looks to be conditions are improving in the west, which is good news with the TIF and with the TIF coming up this week. Over to the east, this loop current eddy here continues to help the blue water move north into the DeSoto Canyon, along with these two opposite rotating eddies. So over to the east, south of the delta, towards the steps. DeSoto Canyon looks very favorable, as well as off at Tampa. There's features everywhere that are constantly changing. Remember, you can call ROFFS on a daily basis. We're open 6 days a week now, Monday through Friday 9 to 7, Saturday 9 to 4. You can reach us on our website 24/7, www.roffs.com. You can order online at roffs.com, calling the office 321-723-5759, or emailing us at fishing@roffs.com. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media channels at ROFFS Fishing on Instagram and Facebook. That is about it for this week. We'll come at you again in 2 weeks. Tight lines and be safe out there. Thank you.